Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing kits and color fill. Yellow color, light pink color, blue color, light green color, sky blue color, green color and orange color, red color, pink color. It shapes drawing black color, circle, cube, kids, cube, up arrow, seven-point star, sun, heart, circle, green color, pink color, cube, pink color cube, brown color, up arrow, orange color, seven-point star, black color, sun, black color sun, sky blue color, heart, circle, cube, up arrow, seven-point star, sun, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.